Hey there, welcome to TechZoid. Let me ask you something. How often do you get free stuff just for having a phone plan? If you're a T-Mobile customer and you're not using the T-Mobile Tuesdays app through the T-Life app, you're probably missing out. Let's break down what it is, how it works, and why it's honestly one of the coolest little perks you can get with T-Mobile. What is the T-Mobile Tuesdays app and T-Life? T-Mobile Tuesdays is now part of the T-Life app, a free rewards program for T-Mobile customers. Every Tuesday, T-Mobile drops new deals, discounts, and giveaways, just for being with them. No points, no weird signups. Just open the program in the T-Life app and grab what you want. Simple as that. What rewards can you get with T-Mobile Tuesdays? It changes every week, but here are some of the most popular rewards. Free food and drinks. Think tacos, coffee, and more. Discounts on gas, Shell for example. Streaming perks or app trials. Movie tickets. Contests for gift cards, concert passes, and even vacations. Sometimes it's something small, but other times, you can get a legit money saver. How does T-Mobile Tuesdays perks work? Here's how easy it is. Install the T-Life app from Google Play or the App Store. Sign in using your T-Mobile number. Every Tuesday, check out the new offers in the app. Tap to claim your rewards. Some offers are instant, others give you a code or link to redeem. Just make sure you use them before they expire. To check out the full details, hit the link in the description. It's up on our site now. Who can use T-Mobile Tuesdays perks? If you're a T-Mobile customer, whether on prepaid or postpaid, you're eligible. That includes both individual lines and family plans. As long as you're on the T-Mobile network, you're good to go. Final thoughts. So yeah, T-Mobile's Tuesdays perks through the T-Life app is one of those rare perks that's useful. If you're already with T-Mobile, definitely take advantage of it every week. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more tech tips. Thanks for watching TechZoid. Catch you in the next video.